Hi, this is how you factory restore the Smartmi Air Purifier 3, removing any saved settings and making it forget any connected devices. Doing this does not, however, remove any previous firmware updates that has been made to the unit. Now, we start by taking a look at the back and locating the power button. Then we flip the unit around and look on the front where we locate the mode switch button. Now what we want to do is to simply press and hold both the power and the mode switch buttons at the same time for about 10 seconds, whereupon a chime will go off indicating that the reset process was successful. After this, the display will go dark for a few seconds and then the purifier will automatically restart. At this point, and as the Wi-Fi symbol indicates, the purifier is no longer connected to any network, but instead needs to be set up using the Smartmi app again if you want to keep using it. Alright, that's about that. Please share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching. Bye.